see you're watching House Fancy, eh, Tails?
Yeah, I just couldn't help myself.
Oh yeah, I thought you might like to hear that I beat Sonic in basketball today.
Really, Knuckles? Wow, I'm so impressed.
You know, now that I think back to that, right after you grabbed the basketball, you had some insane luck. Luck? No, I'm just a god. There has to be something going on, Knuckles. You had to be using some sort of cheating device to help your aim and screw up mine. Sonic, there's no such thing as cheating in real life. And you just suck. I won because I'm good. Wait a minute. Do you have something in your pocket? Oh, what are you talking about? I don't even have pockets. I'm talking about your invisible pocket. Oh, no. You have something in there and I'm gonna take it. The heck is this? Whoa.
No way! Is that a lucky cat?
Lucky cat? Well, I just found it on the side of a street. I didn't think it was anything special.
Knuckles, those are super rare and it can give you super good luck.
So that explains why you got so good after picking up the basketball. I guess so. Well, I'll be taking this to my room, so... Knuckles? You don't get to take that to your room. It's mine now. What? No, it's mine. I found it. Finders keepers.
Guys, I really think it should be mine. I mean, I get like the worst luck around here. Meow?
Anyway, I'll be taking this now, so I'll see y'all later. Get back here!
I really don't have the energy to chase after him, so I might as well wait for bad luck to recur and it will fall into my hands.
Where are you, Knuckles? That smelly smell. That smells smelly. I'm in. Gotcha. Let's play 8-ball, Sonic. Mine now, mine now, mine now. Sonic, you suck.
Got him! Yeah! I'm in trouble.